Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and we are all good here as well. So today's menu is Moong dal Khichdi and Phirni. I have soaked basmati rice and 1:1 ratio of moong dal and basmati rice. For khichdi, I have drained it, finely chopped the onion, one large tomato and some potatoes and beans. You can add some more vegetables if you have, like green peas or carrots. That's 1 tablespoon of butter added, 1 teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, bay leaf and hing. After frying, add the onion. Salt as per taste. And there goes 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic and green chili paste. Cook it until it gets soft. Add the chopped tomatoes, give a good mix. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. By side, I started to prepare for Phirni. Drain the basmati rice and will grind it in the mixer jar. Once the vegetables are soft, now I'll be adding potatoes and the beans. Combine it well. So there goes the moong dal and the basmati rice. Mix it well. Add water. Cook until 3 whistles in a medium flame. So to prepare Phirni, I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee and then I'll be frying the dry fruits. I've taken cashews and almond to fry it. Once it is fried, I will be keeping it aside. There goes 2 cardamom, adding the milk. Once it is heated, I'll be adding the grinded rice. So you can see the quantity of the milk and the rice. It is just 2 tablespoons of rice I have grinded for 1 whole liter of milk. That's the best consistency and you'll get a very good texture when you cook it. Let the rice cook well with the milk. Keep stirring if needed. Once it comes to boil, add the sugar. I have taken 1 cup of sugar. You can add some more if you want. And you have an alternative of adding brown sugar to it. It's more healthier. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk maid, that is condensed milk. Let it get boiled and cooked well. It's almost done. We are going to add the fried dry fruits to it. So that's ready. We're going to now move on to make the tempering for the khichdi. In a small kadai, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. To it, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of zira, that's cumin seeds, 1 slit of red chili, break it, fry it, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally I'll be adding some coriander leaves. This is the texture of Phirni you wanted. So that's a side dish for khichdi. I'm going to fry the boiled egg, that is a masala fry. I've added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder with some salt and frying it in oil, adding boiled egg to it and letting it get fried and roasted. That's done. That's a side dish for my khichdi. The khichdi is ready. Add some warm water after that. Mix it. Add the tempering. Mix it well. That's ready. That's a very simple lunch menu I prepared. So it's time to feed my daughter. She likes to have khichdi and egg with Phirni. That's a great combination. And yes, she likes to watch some animated cartoons. So I played Tangled for her, which is also my favorite. Bismillah, fed her. She enjoyed it. After the lunch, after some time in the evening, I went for a walk to buy some groceries as well. instead of taking bike and going out, you can just go for a walk and buy some groceries instead of taking bike to the nearby shops. It will improve your health consciousness and your diet. You'll be able to follow a fit routine. I opted to go by stairs instead of lift. We'll meet back again with an interesting video. Take care all of you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.